Yo, what is up? It's your boy, the one and only Real Gucci Gavin. It's gonna be a quick video for you today. So I wanted to change out my center caps on my Camaro RS to something else than what it came with the factory. And you know, I was trying to search of the best way to get these center caps off, because a lot of people say you have to take off all the rims and then push it out from the other way, and it's just been too much work. It'd take about like an hour to do that, and I was not in the mood to do that. And I did see a video of somebody that used tape, I think it was like duct tape or whatever, and I didn't know if it was gonna work or not. I already did too, so it does work. So I'll show you how I do it. So this can work for all different types of Camaro. If you have an RS, SS, even a Zl1, it can work for any car. It's the easiest way to do it. Takes no time at all. So I'll show you what you really need. So we got my Camaro, but we got some like Gorilla clear tape. You know, you can have duct tape, pretty much any type of tape. And then we have my center cap. So first I'll show you what you have to do to get this bad boy off and install the new one. So hold on a second, and also I can get the pieces of tape and we'll show you how it is done. Okay, so I do got the 2 pieces of tape right here. And sorry if the camera's dark. For some reason it looks really dark right now. I don't know why it's doing it. Normally it's pretty light out, so I don't know if there's problems with the camera. I'm sorry. But so this is how it is done. So we got the center cap right there, and I'm trying to do this one-handed, so guys, I just gotta give me a break. Let's see. Okay, so I got the first piece of tape. So all you have to do is very simple. Just make sure you got it on. I try to make sure the tape is not on. It's just on the center cap, nothing else. So you know, you may fold it. Not that hard. I would make sure, you know, there's some people that have to use Scotch tape. But I just don't think it would be strong enough to do this. But you know, if you have duct tape at your home or anything, it can be pretty much any tape. The main thing is, so we got it sticky. We're making sure it's on there pretty good. I normally just wait, maybe like at least maybe 15 minutes. Maybe you can wait less. But I'll be coming back and I'll show you how it is done. So let's just wait 15 minutes, and then I'll show you guys how I put a different center cap in. Okay, so after the 15 minutes is up, all you have to do is just slowly pull on the tape, and hopefully it should just pop right. This one's good. Why is it that everyone has been like no problems, and the one that I have a video on? When I have a video. Oh, here we go, we got it. So like the nice thing is that we got it off. We're not taking off the rims, because that would be a lot of time, and all you have to do is just whatever cap you got for whatever car you got. If you got a Camaro or whatever car you got, you just push it back in. There we go. So there we go. We got the Autobots logo on the Camaro now.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang. Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.